Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good, my dear ones. Thank you very much.
Ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good. Thank you. Thank you.
How's your day, ma'am?
Yeah, my day is going on really well. My dear students, in the previous session, we have completed discussing all the exercises of lesson number 12, A Good Play. Right? I have sent the notes to you. I want to make sure that all of you have completed the notes. Yes. Okay, very good. Some of you have already shown me the notes written by you all. Very good. Those who have not been able to show me the notes, I want them to complete the notes properly and show it to me in the next class. Did everybody understand the same? Yes. Austin, sit properly. Okay, Dev. Yes, I saw the notes. Good. Today we are going to play a language game. But before playing the language game, we need to understand everything about it. Right? We need to understand. Devarsh, sit properly and pay attention. Okay. We must know what the game is about. Then only we will be able to play it properly and enjoy it. Right? So we will first understand what is it. The name of the game is anagrams. Repeat. Keep your devices muted and repeat. Anagrams. Anagrams. Yes, once again, anagrams. Yes, now let me tell you what exactly are these anagrams. For understanding a little more clearly, I want all of you to be on page number 26 of your literature textbook, page number 26. Towards the bottom part of the same page, did you notice the word printed there? Anagrams. A-N-A-G-R-A-M-S.
Yes.
Anagrams. Did you notice? There is no need to unmute your device. Yeah, just show me a thumbs up, those who have noticed. I do not want any unnecessary noise in the class. Okay, if you have some doubts or questions, you may raise your hands. Okay, very good.
Ma'am, I have to say one thing.
Yeah, Rida, what is it?
Ma'am, at the last class when I was when the class finished, I was bored and I wrote the anagram.
Okay. Yeah.
Which page?
Page number 26.
Which book?
Literature textbook part 2. Okay? Yes. Now, what exactly are these anagrams? These are words. Anagrams are words. First and all, you need to remember that and understand that. Anagrams are words. But two words will be called anagrams of each other when they use the same letters in their spellings. When they use the same letters in their spellings. But the position of the letters will be the same, remember that. But their position in the spelling may be different. Okay. Such words are called anagrams of each other. I repeat, anagrams are words which have the same letters in their spellings, but the position of those letters in the spellings will be different. Okay, I'm going to give you a very simple example now. Let me write down the topic. A-N-A-G-R-A-M-S. Anagrams. Okay, one very simple example I give you here is the word C-A-T-T. This is a very, very commonly used word, right? CAT. Daksha, unmute. Tell me the letters which are used in this word. All the letters.
C-A-T.
Yes, the three letters used in this word cat are C, A and T. Now I'm instructing you to make the anagram of the same word. So the anagram of this word should be another word which has the same letters in its spelling, C-A-T, but their order can be changed. Try to do it. And you must make sure that the word that you form must have some meaning. You cannot just make any word, and must make sure that the word that you create should have some meaning. C-A-T. It's a very simple word, cat. The letters are C, A and T. No, I said the letters must be the same. C-A-T. Only three letters are there. Arrange these three letters in a different order and make a new word. This is a very simple example, right? The others are raising their hands and eager to answer. Very good. I'm happy to see that. Daksha, come on. C-A-T. Mix and match. Change their positions. Only three letters are there. Don't take such a lot of time. I hope everybody has understood what are anagrams. Right? Okay, very good. That is important. And not just understanding, you must try to remember also. Daksha, make it fast. We have to move ahead. A-C-T. Yes, very good. A-C-T. Read the word. A-C-T. Read the word. How will you read this word? A-C-T. Act. Act. A-C-T. Act. What is act? Any action that is done by a person or animal is called an act. Okay? Any action that is done is called an act. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So these two words, cat and act, are anagrams of each other. Okay? These two words, cat and act, are anagrams of each other. Okay? Got it? Did everybody understand? Yes. Okay. Now, are you ready to move ahead and do the exercise, solve the exercise? Okay. I wanted to make sure that you understand the meaning. Then only we can do the exercise properly. Austin, unmute your device and read the first paragraph which is given there in the book. Read it. Read the following from there. I want you to, you are not listening. Listen, I said read the paragraph which is printed there.
Read the following carefully.
Okay.
Saw and was.
Saw and was. S-A-W, saw. Which are the three letters used in this word?
S-O-W.
S-O, that is A. S-A-W. Okay, tell me one. Yeah, S-A-W. Make another word using the same letters.
Was.
Spelling.
W-A-S.
Yes. Now, saw and was are called what of each other? Saw and was are dash of each other.
Anagram.
Anagrams, yes. Saw and was are anagrams of each other. Hope everybody is clear with what are anagrams. Anagrams are words that have the same letters in their spellings, but their positions in the spelling will be different. Okay, and you must see to it, make sure that the words so formed as anagrams must have some or the other meaning. That you have to make sure about. You cannot just mix and match and make any word. That is not allowed. The word so formed must have some meaning. All right? Is it clear? Okay, yes, Austin, continue reading. The letters used, yes.
The words are the same. Word, form, and the meanings are different.
Yes. Continue.
Such words are anagrams of each other.
Such words are anagrams of each other. Okay, now read the examples.
Nails.
Nails. What is the spelling?
N-A-I-L-S.
N-A-I-L-S. Tell me the anagram so formed.
Nail.
Yeah, spelling.
S-N-A-I-L.
S-N-A-I-L. Snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. Okay. What is the second example?
Sail.
Spelling. Spelling, Austin.
L-A-D-I-E-S.
Yes, the anagram of the word sailed is L-A-D-I-E-S. How will you read this word?
Ladies.
Ladies. Are the letters used in both the words the same, Austin?
No.
Yes. So what will be these two words called for each other? Anagrams. These two words will be called the anagrams of each other. Okay, very good, Austin. Are you clear about the topic?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Stain, unmute. Stain, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Austin.
Yes,
Stain, read the first example. Read the question first. Given below, read it.
Below are some words, rearrange their letters to
Given below.
Given below are some words, rearrange
Wait. What is the big hurry? Stain. Did you notice the full stop?
Given below are some words, rearrange their
Stain. Read it slowly and clearly.
Given below
Rearrange, not rearrange. Rearrange.
Rearrange their letters to form new words.
Rearrange.
Rearrange.
Yes, this is the way you must.
Rearrange.
Okay. Read the first word.
Pat.
Spelling.
P-A-T.
P-A-T. Pat. Now what you have to do is, you need to form its anagram. Anagram, right? So in the anagram,
Tap.
tap. Very good. Read the clue. What is the clue given there?
Water comes out of it.
Water comes out of it. Very simple. So what will be the answer?
Tap.
Spelling?
T-A-P.
T-A-P. Tap. Okay, very good. Now the clues are given there for you. That is why you're finding it very easy to do, right?
Yes.
If the clues are not there, we need to think and make the anagrams. Okay. And once again, let me remind you that the words that you form as anagrams must have some or the other meaning. Did everybody understand that? You cannot just change the position of the letters and make any word. No, that is not done. Each word formed must have some meaning. Got it, everyone? Okay, Stain, very good. Thank you. Ananda Krishnan, unmute. Read the second word.
Break.
Spelling.
B-R-E-A-K.
B-R-E-A-K. Break. Try to make the anagram. First, read the clue. Read the clue that is printed there.
B-A-K-E-R.
I want you to read the clue.
Okay, ma'am. This is a
Devarsh, sit properly.
this
Yes.
is a person
This is a person. Hmm.
who bakes
Hmm.
cake and bread.
B-R-E-A-D-S. Breads. Breads.
Breads.
Okay, read the clue one more time.
This is a person who bakes
Who bakes
cake and breads.
cakes and breads? Okay, very good. Now try to make the anagram of the word given there. B-R-E-A-K. What is the anagram?
Baker.
Baker. Yes, very good. Spelling?
B-E-R.
Say the word again.
B-E-A.
Say the word again.
Baker.
Baker. Very good. Now get me the spelling. Spelling. Baker. B-A.
B-A-K-E-R.
Yes, very good. B-A-K-E-R. Baker. Okay, very good, Ananda Krishnan. Thank you. Devadaksh, unmute. Ananda Krishnan, switch on the video. Devdaksh, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Read the third one.
Eat.
Sorry? E-A-T.
Eat.
Eat. Read the clue.
We drink it.
We drink it. Yeah.
Ma'am,
We drink it.
eat.
What is the anagram so formed?
Ma'am,
We
eat.
drink it.
Ma'am, eat.
We drink it. Can we drink it? With the help of the clue, you have to make the word. We drink it. What do we drink?
We drink water.
We drink water, but can we make the word water out of these three letters? E-A-T? No. So you must think about all the... Yes. Spelling? What is the spelling? T-A-E. Yes, very good. T-E... T-E-A. T-E-A. Not T-A-E. T-E-A. T.
Ma'am, we drink at
We drink tea. We drink tea.
tea.
Okay, very good, Devdaksh. Thank you.
Ma'am, I know the fifth answer.
Wait. Abu Tahir, unmute. Unmute. Try to unmute Abu Tahir. Unmute your device. Touch the speaker icon one time. Unmute.
Ma'am.
Yes. Read the fourth word.
Bird.
Fourth one.
Yes. Beard, ma'am.
Read it.
Beard.
Beard. Yes. B-E-A-R-D. Beard.
We eat it for breakfast.
Read the clue.
We eat it for
We eat it for breakfast. Yes, very good.
bread.
Yes, very good. Spelling.
B-R-E-A-D.
B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Yes, very good. We eat it for breakfast. Bread. Okay, very good, Abu Tahir. Thank you. Devarsh, unmute. Try the fifth one. Devarsh, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Try the fifth one.
Rats.
R-A-T-S. Rats. Okay, read the clue.
They twinkle in the sky at night.
They not tingle. Twinkle.
Twinkle in the
Twinkle.
twinkle.
Yes. They twinkle in the sky at night.
Star.
Yes, very good. Spelling?
S-T-A-R.
Okay, good. Thank you. S-T-A-R. Star. Let's try the next one. Jovak, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read the next word.
Stare.
S-T-A-R-E. Stare.
Dash clue. When we feel sad, this comes from our eyes.
These come from our eyes. Read it correctly once again.
When we feel sad, this comes from our eyes.
Yes, very good. Now tell me the answer.
Tears.
Tears. Yes, very good. Spelling?
T-E-A-R-E-S.
No. There is only one E, so you cannot use it twice.
T-E-A-R-S.
Yes, now you are right. T-E-A-R-S. Tears. T-E-A-R-S. Tears. Okay. Did everybody understand how to make anagrams of words?
Ma'am, I joined.
Yes. Yes, Afif, we are on page number 26. 26. Trying to solve the exercise based on anagrams. Okay? Yeah. Go through the exercise. I'll be sending these notes in the group. Now time is there. I am sharing the board. Sorry?
Page number 26.
Yes. Go through the exercise. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Did everybody understand this exercise on anagrams?
Which book? I am also joined late.
Literature textbook. Please check the messages regularly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to play in our house this game.
Sorry?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
what is Titanic boat? What is Titanic, ma'am?
Titanic. Have you seen the movie, The Titanic?
Yes.
It's a very famous.
Yes. I see the movie.
Yes, Afif, unmute.
Ma'am, Titanic sank to the bottom of the.
First, you have to tell me what is this Titanic?
A Titanic is a big ship.
It is the name of a huge ship, right? Cruise ship.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
and there's a movie about the Titanic. The Titanic sank to the
No.
bottom.
What is the past tense of sink? That has happened long back, right? So we must use the past tense form. What is the past tense of sink? Just change one letter. Change the letter I and replace it with A. What is the new word formed? Sank, yes. The past tense of sink is sank.
Sank to the bottom of the ocean
Okay.
because it touched an iceberg and
No, not touched. It hit an iceberg.
an iceberg.
Yes. Okay, fine. Done? Okay, very good. Thank you, Afif. Anybody else wants to add to it? Raise your hands. Those who wish to add to it, raise their hands. Anom, yes, continue. Unmute.
Ma'am, Titanic is a famous ship. It is a big ship, and a ship of Titanic is a name of a ship.
What happened to it?
No, I don't know anything.
Have you seen the movie?
Yes, but it sank cool.
Sorry?
It sank cool because I have seen this picture and I was learning it.
Okay. Fine. Thank you, Anom. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Anybody else wants to add to it? Add something more about the same topic? So Farmis has got some idea about the Titanic now, right? Happy? Farmis is happy? Okay, good. Yeah, Stain wants to add something more to it? Or Austin? Austin wants to add something. Okay, Austin, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Name of big ship
Okay.
and sank to the water.
In the oceans.
The
It sank in the... How? What had happened to it?
and the ship was crashed.
Yes, the ship was cracked into two halves, right? And then it sank into the ocean water of the oceans, right? Okay. Thank you, Austin. Okay, now let us take a look at this. Have you heard about the famous ship? Now everybody has heard it, right? Most of you already knew about it. Very good. I'm happy to notice that. Those who did not know now have the knowledge about it, right? Find out about the ship and how it sank. Now we have understood some part of it. The rest of the part, you go through the magazines, try to find it and write an article about it. Let us do it as an activity. Ready? Collect at least one picture of the Titanic, stick it on an A4 size paper and write an article about what the Titanic was and what happened to it or how it sank. Try to do it. Okay? Yes. All right, very good. Now it is time for me to go through the notes that you all said that you have completed. Come on, show me the notebook. Lesson number 12, a good play. I have sent all the notes for the same lesson in the group. Now I want to make sure that all of you have written them down neatly. Yes, Vaiga, very good. Show me, don't show me a thumbs up. I want to see the notes. Abu Tahir, I want to see the notebook, not textbook. I had instructed all of you to write the notes in the notebook. Aradhya, very good. Angelina. Okay, very good. Joanne, very good. Ujjwal, very good. Sarah, you are showing me the textbook. I want to see the notebook. Vaiga, yes. Devanandan, very good. Jovak, very good. Afreen, where is the notebook? Devdaksh, very good. Afif, Abhinav, yes. Chidrup, where is your notebook? Brahmadat, Daksha. Aradhya, I didn't see your notebook. Mitra, Austin, Stain Sijo, very good. Prarthana, very good. Reeve, hold the book properly, Reeve. I cannot see it clearly. Bring it forward towards the front. Okay, it's not clear to me. I hope you have completed the notes. Rida, where are the remaining questions? Aradhya, yes. Vaiga, Abhinav, yes. Okay. Rida, okay, fine. Aradhya, fine, good. Mitra, I didn't see your notebook. Okay, Aradhya. Not completed. Okay, complete it soon and show it to me in the next class. Sriveni, where are your notes? Dulkafil. Where are the question answers, Dulkafil? Ananda Krishnan, yes. All right. Those who have not completed the notes, please complete it and keep it ready to show me in the next class. All right. And this exercise on anagrams, I will be sending it to you as notes. You have to do it in the textbook only. There is no need to write the same in the notebook. Sriveni, you have to show it to me in the next class. Okay. Keep it ready before joining for the session. All right. Yeah. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye. Bye-bye.